Today we have a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is Kyle realizes he instantly ended his career.
Did you show someone a badge? You a cop?
You rolled? Yeah. I didn't go that fast.
Hold on, no. I don't need to be here to know that's the biggest load of bull I've ever heard. You're driving like a dumb.
On March 22, 2025, when police officers in Lawrence, Indiana arrive at the site of a crash, they're surprised to find that a truck has collided with a house in broad daylight. Even more shocking than the driver's outlandish explanation is the fact that he's also a sheriff's deputy.
I don't do nothing stupid. I literally...
Well, today's the first.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. At 4:53 p.m., police and EMS are called to the site of a rollover crash in a residential area in Lawrence.
Are you the driver?
Yeah,
You okay?
I'm good.
Okay. Is there anybody else in the car or anything?
Probably good. Just
Who else is in the car, man?
My girl? She's over there with her godmother.
Okay. Did you guys roll over?
Yeah, I was driving, and I was trying to back up right there. I got a wallet, and I lost control, swerved, and hit this.
Okay. Do you have your license with you?
The driver is identified as 39-year-old David Hodges.
Do you have your insurance?
Hold on, bro.
Where's this, where's your passenger at? She's at the house just to the east.
At my godmother's house. I'm good. Everybody's good. Just rolled over. I was trying to back up into that spot. Lost control. Hit the curb. And ended up rolling. We rolled. Yeah.
Despite David's nonchalant attitude to the bizarre situation, there's far more going on here than first meets the eye. He eventually pulls up his insurance information and hands it over to one of the officers.
Man, I love this truck. Oh my God, my baby.
Just relax, all right?
I can't. This is my favorite truck. Messed up my shoes.
Sorry, just relax, man.
You talking about your shoes? You just hit somebody's house.
Never wrecked in my life. This is my first wreck.
Where were you guys coming from?
You drunk.
I literally just left her house. She left her ID. Backing up. Trying to turn.
Was you going too fast?
Lost control.
Okay.
Already,
Lost
David has
control.
adjusted his story, first saying he was trying to back up into a spot, and now that he was trying to turn while backing up.
I ain't never in my life ever did this. I'm just trying to turn in that street. Boom, drive, go.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, y'all need.
That doesn't make any sense to me at all.
No. I'm talking about driving, boom, about to turn in there. Boom. But
Had anything to drink today? No? Nothing at all?
No. Backing up. So I'm driving backwards. I'm trying to turn into half mile.
You're driving
Turn
backwards.
going backwards.
Try to turn going.
You must have been doing it fast.
Went to.
You must have been doing it super
Overdid it.
fast.
Overdid it.
While heading to check David's insurance on his phone, the other officer finds witnesses to the accident.
Did you guys see the crash or anything?
I was downstairs, and I see them come flying past her first. Then I heard her skirt in the pool.
Okay.
Yeah, he going up to the bed. He going like jump.
Rolled over?
Yeah.
It looks like you've been in a crash. My phone will trigger emergency SOS if you don't respond.
Coming in and make sure he okay.
Yeah.
He got the gun in the bag.
Okay. I know, we saw it.
Because this is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
I have never in my life, and that's on me. I've never in my life ever wrecked.
It's extremely reckless in the neighborhood to be driving that way.
I didn't go that fast.
Hold on, no. I don't need to be here to know that's the biggest load of bull I've ever heard.
Hey, sir,
Look at this. Let me look at this for a minute.
I said, whoa.
And with a straight face say, I was going to reasonable speed.
No, I
No.
give you 100%. I was like,
You're driving like a dumb is what you were doing.
And
You're lucky you didn't kill no one, is what you are.
The owner of the home David struck wasn't there at the time of the crash, but 2 children were inside the house. Luckily, neither were harmed. This is where things with David begin to take a turn.
Did you show someone a badge? You a cop? You're a firefighter?
Sheriff badge. I mean,
you're a sheriff deputy?
David is a deputy at the Marion County Sheriff's Office.
Then you know better.
Sir, when I say literally I'm not doing nothing stupid.
No, you were doing something stupid. Look at the scene right now. You were doing something stupid.
I literally never did this in my life.
I question your judgment as an officer. Yeah, you are. What's your name?
Oh, straight. She's a nurse.
David's girlfriend is currently being checked by EMS and will soon share her side of the story.
No, you need to drive straight is what you need to do.
I do.
In reasonable speed. Had you hit a kid, you'd be just going to jail.
But I've never been in that accident.
I look at this and I question you should probably go to jail anyways.
Why would I go?
For reckless driving.
Like I said, I drive carefully. I got 3 kids. I know how to drive carefully. I don't do nothing stupid. I literally.
Well, today's the.
Man, he need to just revoke his right to remain silent because this motherfucker sounds like a dumbass, man. This guy here, man, you just threw your career away. Literally, you threw your career away. It's over. Now what you gonna do? It's over. Even if you get it somehow reduced or chopped down or whatever the case may be, no department is going to take you. Even if you leave that department and go to another one, no department is going to take you. Why? Because you on EWU body cam. That's why. You're reckless. Not only that, you, like the officer said, I question your judgment as an officer. If you're going to sit here and say that you wasn't even speeding, you didn't nut this, that, you are better off just staying quiet. Just staying quiet. You're better at that than what the hell you're doing. Your career is cooked.
First.
This is
You better start looking for McDonald's.
my first. This is my love. You know how much I literally saved up to get this truck?
Stay right here.
Just
Who
as
gives
David's
a crap about the
frustrations
truck?
grow, the other officer returns to speak with him.
Just walk over here and talk to me in my car. Hey, so obviously I know you've been drinking today. I can smell it on you.
You know what?
Alcohol. Smell on your breath. You want to tell me how much you had to drink today?
Sir, when I say I ain't been drinking to do
Listen,
this.
I want you to listen to me, okay? The way you answer these questions from now on is going to determine what happens from this point forward. So I need you to be honest with me. Do you understand?
Sir, to be drinking to do this, I would never wreck my car.
I'm asking you how much you had to drink today.
Sir, only thing that I drank last night with her.
Okay. So when's the last time you had a drink?
I drank last night with her.
When's the last time you had a drink? What time?
Last night,
What time?
it had to be like 2 in the morning.
If David is being honest, since it's now just after 5 p.m., over 15 hours have passed since he claims he last had a drink.
Okay. How much did you drink?
We drunk.
Like falling down drunk?
Her head drunk. She's still drunk. Went home, came back, and I was good. But I'm not.
I'm going to ask you to take a PBT test. You have the right to refuse if you want to. At the end of the day, I understand where we go from there is up to you.
I just want to be legit.
I get that.
When I say I'm good, like I'm literally good.
Are you willing to take a PBT?
I'll take whatever you want me to take.
This, however, as the officer will eventually discover, doesn't quite go as planned.
I'm going to separate you from your firearm. I know you got one on you. Just stay right there for me.
As one officer prepares the preliminary breath test, or PBT, the other speaks with David's girlfriend.
He was up there, but he backed up. But I was also in my in my wallet, trying to make sure I didn't actually see my ID in there, but I didn't see it.
Okay.
And then next thing I know, when I looked up, I felt the car rolling.
Okay.
Well, the airbag came out.
I haven't drunk today. Like, we was about to go drink. I ain't gonna lie to you.
What am I missing here? Because just driving backwards and going back, it doesn't result into this. Like,
Nothing. We was fine. I mean, we didn't argue, we didn't, but we don't never. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Like, because I've been fine. He was fine.
I mean, he's obviously not fine.
I mean, you know, like,
He's-
he wasn't, like,
She's drunk,
irrational
too.
or anything to give me or arguing or anything with that.
Okay.
David's girlfriend is soon cleared and released without any injuries. David, on the other hand, is proving to have some issues with the PBT.
All right, deep breath and go. Blow harder, 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 harder. Keep on. No, you're not blowing hard enough. Deep breath in and blow. Blow hard. There you go. Keep going, 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 keep going. There you go. Too hard.
After 4 more tries, the officer has had enough.
We're gonna head back to station, man. You wanna hang up?
For real?
Yep, for real. You know why.
I'm not. I'm literally
Understand.
good.
You're not under arrest right now. We're gonna take you back to a chemical test, okay?
However, even once they're at the station, David continues to have trouble.
Deep breath, tight seal, blow till tight stop. Go, go. Nope, stop. Stop. So you kind of blow and then you stop. Yeah,
blow, stop.
Yeah, blow steady. Deep breath, tight seal. Blow hard. Go, go, keep going, go. Nope. I don't know if you're pursing your lips or something, but blow hard. Go harder. Go, 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 go. Okay. That's good. He's playing the game. You got 3 pills. You may try again. Yeah. So
Yeah, he playing game.
hey, David. I want to be clear about this. So obviously, we kind of went through this. You've done these tests before. You've been through the academy, right?
No, I haven't done this ever.
Okay. Either way, Sergeant Heine has done a lot of these. He's able to explain the test to you in a way that you can understand it. Obviously, if you fail to follow instructions properly, it looks like you're more intoxicated than what you actually are, right?
David is warned that if he doesn't complete the test, they'll get a warrant to collect a blood sample instead. Still, it takes a few more tries before the officers are able to get a reading.
Go, go, go. Good. Relax. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The results, though, likely won't leave David feeling like celebrating. According to police documents, the PBT at the scene had actually returned a reading, which was a .122 blood alcohol concentration, well over the .08 limit. The reading conducted at the station, however, came back as even higher at .130.
Dang, from last night?
He's still going with that last night thing.
All my career's literally gone this year.
According to police documents, David was arrested for operating a vehicle while intoxicated with endangerment, operating a vehicle with BAC above .08, and reckless driving causing property damage. News sources state that following his arrest, David was terminated from the Marion County Sheriff's Office.
Oh, yeah.
Though no other updates about the case are available at this time. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us...
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Threw your career away. Then this guy is talking about, oh, my shoes, I dirtied my shoes. You hit the side of someone's house, man. Forget your shoes. Nobody don't care about that. You hit someone's house. Better off staying silent. Hopefully he gets a decent lawyer and tries to beat it. Cause I don't know. Did they say that he was found guilty? I know. No, yeah, he was just charged, but they didn't find it. It's not guilty yet. Unbelievable. Can't make this stuff up, man. How hard is it to get an Uber? If you gonna go out drinking with your lady, or y'all gonna go, whatever, there's nothing wrong with drinking, but drinking and driving is a big problem. Okay. It's a big problem, man. Unbelievable. So yeah, but cops did a good job overall though, so it is what it is, man. I'm giving them a 5. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.